The next aspect of working with people on a development project is the importance of self-organising teams. One major difference between Agile project development and more traditional development systems is how the teams are organised. In traditional systems, your team will have someone in charge of them who tells them what to do each day and dictates how the team will move through the process. While this might seem like it would help the team to move more quickly through the development process, there are many benefits to not having a single person in charge of the whole project. Every member of the team can be actively seeking ways to work towards finishing the feature they're working on at all times. Everyone has the responsibility and the empowerment to make decisions. They can work through obstacles and problems quickly as a team, rather than having to wait for the decision of a manager. Allowing your teams to self-organise ensures that they can work in the way that makes the most sense for them. Setting the expectation early that the team is responsible for themselves and their day-to-day operations gives the team the freedom they need to create the most value possible. Remember, proper preparation leads to the successful delivery of products.